Hi dear traders and investors, today is Tuesday, May 17th, and I'm always glad to present you with the red hot market review prepared for InstaForex. What's going on in the world? Iran declared that it has spare crude to export. The country is able to double its oil exports to satisfy the global market on the condition that all anti-Iranian sanctions are lifted. I remind you that the nuclear deal has not been reviewed yet. Iran insists on getting relief from sanctions. Europe is looking forward to buying huge oil volume from Iran, and Iran is ready to meet demand. However, not all policymakers agree with that. I want to share a nice trading idea for silver. I spotted good levels to buy silver at 2-year highs. I see the bullish potential of $10. Stock markets are going through a correction before Powell's speech tonight. Now let's take a look at the charts. Gold comes first. After its multi-month rally, gold took a nosedive for about a month. Now it is gaining ground slowly but surely. The price bottomed out at the around level of 1,800 and rebounded. This level has been tested lots of times. Perhaps it will serve as a new support if we draw a line through the lows of 2020, 22 and 2022, we see an uptrend. The price is now about this line. Yesterday, American traders were actively buying the metal. Let's see how they will trade today during Powell's speech. Last week, gold closed with a climax bar. If it closes with the inner bar this week, it means a high probability of a trend reversal. I can't invent a trading plan on any time frame, and I don't see proper targets. If the price makes a retracement, we could try to plan long positions according to a three-wave structure. The market for silver is more interesting. On the weekly chart, silver closed last week a bit lower than the important level for silver bulls. The market shows that the price has not settled below the breakout. On the daily chart, the price has been growing for 3 days in a row. It makes sense to open long positions at a retracement because the metal suggests enormous potential. We could enter the market at the level of $21 and take profit at levels about $30. So we could gain $10, a third of price growth. It is half of the growth from the crisis of 2020. I believe that silver suggests the best trading opportunities for long positions. We could buy at lows and the price might surge to 30, 40 and even 50. I used to see such high prices of silver, and the metal is able to appreciate to such an extent in a turbulent time. As for other precious metals, Palladium is rebounding from its lower border with a similar huge potential. The same is true about platinum. What can I say? Choose any of the precious metals and you will earn decent profits. The euro-dollar pair is trading higher. Cool. The pair is growing from an inner bar, which is a classical trend reversal pattern. The trading instrument has enough room for growth, about 500 pips. I would advise you to add more long positions whenever a retracement occurs. The pound sterling has been rolling from lows, and I don't have a trading plan for the pound-dollar pair because I don't see any reversal patterns and nice targets. So let's wait and see. What about the dollar-yen pair? I still believe that the instrument should decline to 126. I foresee downward correction. The pair should test this level for sure. The US dollar index is drifting lower from its multi-year highs, so the dollar-yen pair is able to sleep amid the greenback's weakness. Notably, apart from the yen and Kuroda, who is harassing everyone on Forex, the US dollar also takes part in trends of this trading instrument. It seems that the US dollar is exhausting its bullish momentum. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you next week. Bye bye.